The network cable. Found in the country. Internet slowly. A VPN connect. There's no hope. My name is Dr. Phil, and this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. We also include some great value-added products that will improve the life and security of your computer. I mean, just can't keep going on. Man, this coffee's good. All right, so first, one of the products that we offer is Managed Business Class Antivirus. What that means is that once we install it on your computer, every day throughout the day, we have a portal where we can see all of the happenings that are going on with our customers and any threats that the antivirus has detected, and then it comes in real time as you're working on your computer. So if something pops up on our portal, we can give you a call and we can make sure that the threat is neutralized and that the antivirus is doing its job on protecting your computer from any viruses. We can also make it so that it manages exceptions for certain programs that you have, and we can make it so that you can have an overall good experience that's safe and secure. In another video, I will go in more in depth on what business class managed antivirus can do. We also provide backup solutions. We can sell you external hard drives for your business network or for your local home that you can plug into your computer. You continuously back up. This provides you an extra layer of security for your information, and the fact that if anything was to happen to the hard drive inside your computer, we would be able to restore and recover any data that you have lost because of the failure of the hard drive, because your computer is continuously being backed up. We also provide a cloud-based backup solution, as well as a third layer of backup. And this backs it up to an offsite server that is only accessible to you and is incredibly secure, so that, again, if anything were to happen to your data, and maybe something was to happen to your external hard drive as well, the likelihood of something happening to your data stored offsite, only accessible to you on the internet, is a lot less likely of you losing anything. So that is another service that we provide that adds value to your computer and the life of your computer, to make sure that anything you need is easily accessible to you at any given moment. That is the second thing that we do, and I'll go more in depth in another video about that. And then third, we can also provide you monthly maintenance for your computer. Usually twice a month, we can install some software on your computer, in which we can make sure to monitor the vital signs of your computers, so that we can make sure that, if anything was to happen, it would detect if your hard drive is failing. It would detect if the memory in your computers were failing. It can clean up any temporary system files that are bogging down your computer's speed and connectivity. And we can make sure that we can take proactive measures to prevent anything from happening to your computer, so that you don't lose any data. Your computer remains in the highest health it can possibly be. And then we can recommend solutions to make sure that you're back on track, your business isn't crippled, or your local home-based environment can be back up and running, so that you have everything that you need to use your technology well. These are three of the types of products that we can offer you as a customer, in which it will add value to your computer so that your computer's life and your computer's security are better protected and better supported even after the fact. Again, that's Antivirus, managed business class antivirus, business class backup solutions, as well as remote maintenance that can take place twice a month. Next, I'll go into some further benefits of using a value-added IT service provider.